All right, this is Stevie. New go-kart, test one. He seems to be having a good time on it. Go around us, Steven. Go around us real fast. Don't hit anything.
Why you hit the brake and the gas?
Yeah, never hit the brake and the gas. I think he's a little scared.
It'll take a little bit to get used to it. Yeah, we can move him back probably three inches. No?
Yeah.
It's a solid frame, man.
Yeah.
That thing's not even jiggling.
All right, go up and go down. Go fast, okay? Let's see how fast it can go.
I like that right hand.
Nice turn. Go up the gravel and then come down.
What?
You can go up that gravel driveway over there. See it?
Yeah.
Go. Go. All the way.
Into the street, man.
Has a good turning radius. I don't know why he stopped.
Yeah,
Oh, it died? Uh-oh.
No.
I guess that's the end of day one.